Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Here we are, having a look at Vertus Finance. I've just come across this by accident. Vertus Auto Staking Protocol, an auto staking and auto compounding protocol that provides you with the highest APY, which is 410,347.53% fixed APY, accumulates interest every 10 minutes, so that's 144 times daily. It's what's it got to say? If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you'll work until you die. Warren Buffett. Okay. The best auto staking and auto compounding protocol in crypto. Vertus is a digital startup with an emphasis on DeFi innovation, providing value and benefits to the VAP token holders. Our Vertus auto staking protocol, integrated within the VAP token, is designed to rebase your investments every 10 minutes, an easy process of buy, hold, earn. That will grow your wallet exponentially. So it's another one of them. You just buy the coin, keep it in your wallet, and it auto compounds every 10 minutes. Yep. What can I earn? At the end of a year with $1,000 invested, the investor can earn $4.1 million at 410,347 fixed APY. Earners are calculated in a scenario where the RFV sustains the rebase rewards for 365 days. Vertus burns token supply to prevent circulating supply from getting out of hand and becoming unmanageable. Offset positive rebase interest printing. How it works: VAP is a BEP20 token with a positive rebase formula, thus keeping its value on an appreciating curve. One of the best auto staking and auto compounding token. Vertus Auto Liquidity Pool. To maintain liquidity, the Vertus Auto Token Pool triggers a response every 48 hours and injects liquidity into the market. Each trade, there is a 3% tax levied on both buyer and seller by the Vertus Auto Staking Protocol. This fund is used up to buy BNB and VAP at a 50-50 ratio to provide liquidity when the investors sell off. Versus Protection Fund. 5% of all trading fees are stored in an insurance fund that forms a BPF. This fund forms the backbone of the Vertus protocol, backing the staking rewards provided by the positive rebase. VPF also acts as a buffer to maintain liquidity in case of a sharp sell-off. The Vertus Treasury constitutes an important part of the VAP. It provides an extra cushion of insurance to the VPF in case of very sharp sell-off. In addition to that, the Treasury Fund is used to create an extra services and products and pay for marketing campaigns for the protocol. The Vertus Auto Token Burner. To ensure the floor price for the VAP token, 2.5% of the tokens traded or burns off regularly to shrink the circulating supply and keep the price stable. The regular burn also provides a deflationary effect on the token, ensuring the value of the token remains intact. Tokenomics: buy 13.5% tax, sell 15.5%. Liquidity: 3% of order fees return to liquidity. 5% of order fees are stored in VPF. Vertus Treasury: 3% of order fees go to Treasury. Vertus Burner: 2.5% of Vertus is burned in the Vertus Burner. And out of the sell fees, it's the same except for the Virtus Treasury, it's 5% of order fees go to the Treasury. Frequently asked questions, quite a lot. Virtus is a digital startup with seasoned crypto enthusiasts, and our emphasis is on DeFi innovation with Virtus Auto Staking Protocol. VAP is a fascinating financial protocol that makes staking simple, safe, and gives rewards to the VAP token holders with a sustained fixed compound interest model. We are committed to deliver the highest possible stable returns in crypto to all of VAP token holders. Right, could you tell us the team and their background? Can have a quick look at that, see what that's got to say. We started our journey in crypto 3 years ago with a unique skill set in building Web3 economy for unique and scarce digital assets supported on Polkadot, Polygon, Ethereum and the Binance Smart Chain. We raised millions of dollars for several top crypto projects successfully. Let's start collaboration. How does auto staking feature work? Well, we know that already. You just buy the coin holder in your wallet and it just compounds itself, providing you are connected to the website, obviously. What are the key elements that make your project sustainable? So, I was just going through basically all what I've read. Yeah, a daily return on investment is 2.8%. So, yeah, come and have a read yourself because you've got to do your own research because I'm not a financial advisor. What is a REBASE token? How does it work? Well, we know. Let's have a look what it actually says. It just keeps growing your token, doesn't it? Do the holders need to move their tokens? No. The VAP tokens always stays in your BSC wallet. No need to move tokens to our website. From the minute you buy, you are staked and set to receive REBASE rewards. The simplest auto staking in DeFi industry. But this isn't the only one that does that now. There's each one that comes out now appears to be one of these buy, hold and earn. How is it possible to give such a huge APY? That's a very interesting question. Virtus has integrated a solid VPF structure which takes advantage of the trading volume fees in order to back the staking rewards, REBASE rewards. In order to back the hefty APY, Virtus follows the approach below. Scenario 1. When the daily VPF gains are greater than or equal to all the holders' daily return on investments, this means that the swap threshold can fill the plus value generated from the REBASE rewards. Scenario 2. If the daily VPF gains are lower than the holders' daily ROI, a portion of the treasury is added to fill the difference. We know what the buy and sell fees are, the 13.5 and 15.5, aren't they? Yeah, and it just breaks it down there. How do you guarantee users' asset security? Guarantee. To start with, we are 4x audited, which is one of the best in the crypto sphere. The audit has been completed and we are happy to share the details on our website. No team tokens. The team will not hold any tokens. We are committed to the longevity of the project, and thus the team cannot dump on you. No extra mint or hidden tokens. Yeah, so no rug pull, no bots. This sounds an excellent project, and it's on the Binance Smart Chain, and you're going to need BNB in your wallet. Open app. It's quite a long video, this one, but it is what it is. Maybe not all of you are actually watching at this moment, but one or two of you maybe, so I'm just going to carry on with it and see where it leads. So it's the VAP token on the Binance Smart Chain. So I think it'll be providing. So here we are. We've got the VAP price is currently 46 cents. The market cap is just over $250,000. Circulating supply is just over 500,000 tokens. The liquidity is back to 100%. Next rebase in just over 5 minutes. The pool value $250,000. Market value of treasury asset is 56,000. Virtus protection fund value 96,000. Virtus burner, they burnt 26,000 VAP, which was worth $12,000. 4.8% of the supply has been burnt by the looks of that. Connect wallet. I don't know. Yeah, it connects MetaMask, so just needs to be on the Binance Smart Chain. I have no BNB because I'm not really a BNB guy. I'm more of a Matic and a Cosmos guy. But there are some quite interesting projects coming out lately on BNB, so I think I'm going to shortly buy myself some BNB and start having a go in some of these. Hey guys, I don't need to connect my wallet because there's no point. I've got no BNB. The docs, can have a quick look through the docs, but yeah. How does the auto staking feature work, and what is REBASE? We've been all through this and we know what that is, we know what that is, we know what that is. Virtus Auto Liquidity Pool. Okay, it's going to be a liquidity pool with VAP and BNB. What is the APY? We know that. Periodic, that's telling you how often you're going to be paid. This is about the VAP token. Is the roadmap. Take a look at the roadmap, see what that's got to say. We basically know all that's in this, in that white paper. Roadmap, concept design, architectural design, marketing strategy, business plan, website launch, white paper, social media, channel creation, smart contract audit, pig sale, pre-launch listing, CoinMarket Cap and CoinGecko. Q2 white paper version 2 release, DApp interface, main deck design, future utilities. While we expect a number of people participating in the metaverse and purchasing NFTs to continue to grow rapidly in the coming months and years to the same or even greater extent. The number of projects in this space will also increase. As a result, the space will become more and more confusing for non-experts. Good projects will quickly rise in price before they can be discovered by ordinary people, making it impossible for newbies to invest in them. On the other hand, more and more bad projects will be funded by clueless investors, resulting in complete losses for those investors. We're going to solve this problem with our own Virtus NFT. We have made it our mission to give everyone the opportunity to be part of the NFT world. We will share more details in the second phase of the project. So, it's quite a nice project, and not financial advice, but it's something I would get into. Come and do your own research, check everything out thoroughly, and if you think it's for you, invest what you can afford to lose, as they say. Okay guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Bye.